Hello and welcome to our video on how to grow your YouTube channel and achieve the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time needed to monetize your channel. If you're struggling to attract viewers and grow your channel, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies that will help you achieve your goals on YouTube in 2023. Before we dive into the tips, let's first understand why it's important to achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on your YouTube channel. First and foremost, it's the eligibility criteria for YouTube monetization. Once you achieve these metrics, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from your videos. But that's not all. Having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time also indicates that you have a loyal fan base that enjoys your content and engages with it. This, in turn, can help you attract more viewers and grow your channel even further. Now, let's move on to the tips and strategies that will help you achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on your YouTube channel in 2023. Tip 1. Optimize your content for search. One of the key factors that determine the success of your YouTube channel is your ability to optimize your content for search. This means using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, and ensuring that your content is well structured and easy to navigate. You should also consider creating videos on topics that are currently trending or have high search volumes. This will help you attract more viewers and increase your chances of getting discovered on YouTube. Tip 2. Engage with your audience. Another important factor that can help you grow your YouTube channel is your ability to engage with your audience. This means responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging viewers to like and share your videos. You can also consider creating polls or surveys to get feedback from your viewers and find out what kind of content they would like to see from you in the future. Tip 3. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. You can collaborate with creators in your niche or with those who have a similar target audience. This will help you tap into their audience and gain more exposure for your channel. You can collaborate with other creators by featuring them in your videos, co-creating content, or even doing a Q&A session together. Just make sure that you choose the right creators to collaborate with and that your content aligns with their values and interests. Tip 4. Use social media to promote your content. Social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook are great tools to promote your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. You can use these platforms to share your videos, interact with your followers, and even run ads to reach new viewers. Make sure that you have a strong presence on social media and that you're actively engaging with your followers to build a community around your channel. Tip 5. Create engaging and high-quality content. Finally, one of the most important tips to grow your YouTube channel is to create engaging and high-quality content. This means investing in good equipment, improving your editing skills, and creating content that resonates with your audience. You should also experiment with different types of content, such as tutorials, vlogs, and reviews, to see what works best for your channel. Congratulations! You now have the tips and strategies you need to achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on your YouTube channel in 2023. Remember to optimize your content for search, engage with your audience, collaborate with other creators, use social media to promote your content, and create engaging and high-quality content. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to growing your YouTube channel and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching.